So, hello. No. Ayun. So, ito tayo sa insurance with guaranteed cash sa actual proposal na natin. Ayan. So, ang client information natin, si mother is 29 years old, si baby is 1 year old. So, in-round up na ni insurance company since more than 6 months na si baby. So, si mommy and si baby. So, ayan, 5 years. And ito naman yung first page is 5 years to pay, participating, ibig sabihin, dividend, participating siya. Ayan. So, summary of your plan, may life insurance benefit, may guaranteed cash payout, may non-guaranteed dividends. So, non-guaranteed yung rate niya, pero may dividend siya. So, maturity benefit and the payer's benefit on death and disability. So, mode of payment natin as discussed with the mother is annual. So, ang annual niya is 112,515.35. So, nag-reminder din sa first page na meron tayong reminder on the pre-existing conditions and free look period. So, upon receiving ng policy contract, pwede mo siyang i-scan ng buo, ng full details. Tapos, kung meron, including yung pre-existing conditions, kung nabasa mo na may yung policy, tapos nabasa mo doon yung pre-existing conditions and other limitations, mababasa mo doon. So, if you decide that this plan is not suitable for you, yun, after basahin yung policy contract, so, meron kang 15 days para i-return yung plan or yung policy contract, and babalik namin yung total premiums you have paid kung ayaw mo within 15 days. Yun yung free look period. So, pre-existing condition, mababasa naman yun sa policy contract. So, pre-existing kung meron sakit na hindi dineclare upon signing the contract. So, ito yung second page natin. Sinummarize lang dito yung plan benefits natin. So, meron tayong life insurance coverage na kapag may nangyari na resulting in death ng insured, so si baby, wag naman sana syempre, 500,000 will be provided to the beneficiaries. Then, guaranteed cash payouts, 25,000 siya. Starting tayo ng end na ating 5th year policy anniversary, or end na yan every other year until the policy maturity or the 100 years old if the insured is alive. So, continuous yung ating makaka-receive tayo na every 2 years na 25,000 every 2 years hanggang alive pa ang ating insured. Si insured ang ano natin dito, ang basis natin ng pagbibigay ng ating cash benefit. So, non-guaranteed dividends natin, ayan, meron tayong non-guaranteed. Pwede tayong mag-earn ng dividends na pwede natin i-choose na i-receive in cash or leave it with the company to accumulate pa ng interest. So, si dividend, ibibigay sa'yo or choose to leave it, tapos i-accumulate siya para magkaroon pa ng interest. So, maturity benefit natin is 500,000 upon the attainment age of 100. Kung wala man nangyari kay baby, so may 500,000 tayo. Yan. So, payers benefit on death and disability. So, ayan, since magkaiba si baby at si mother ang nagpipay, so siya yung payer, then insured si baby. Then, kung may nangyari man kay payer or kay mother na death or total and permanent disability, tapos nagbabayad pa rin ng policy si mother, so hindi na siya required na magbayad. So, si company na yung magko-continue to pay ng basic and premium rider natin. So, ayun. So, mode of release, kapag ano ba ang mode of release natin? Ito hindi kasama sa ating proposal. Nilagay ko lang dyan. So, ano yung mode of release? Pwedeng credit to account, will require CTA form. Ito yung default option natin, credit to account siya. Or pick up anywhere. Yan. or live to accumulate interest. Ayan. May mga form lang na kasama dun sa e-application natin. So, ito yung third page. Ang ano lang naman yan is yung premiums and yung payment option. So, ang premiums ng life insurance coverage natin is yung ating 500,000, which is 110,940. So, ang talagang face amount niya is 250. Pero dahil 200% ng face amount siya, 500,000, yun talagang life insurance coverage natin. So, optional benefits, ito yung rider natin, si payers benefit on death and disability. So, ito yung kung magtutuloy nung policy natin in case mawala si payer. So, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung policy hanggat tuloy-tuloy yung bayad ng policy hanggat dahil meron tayong payers benefit on disability. So, ang total premium natin is 112,515.35 for annual. So, yan. Yan lang naman siya. So, schedule tayo ng, yung third page naman, schedule lang ng ating premiums. Ayan. Year 1, Year 2, Year 3, Year 4, Year 5. Ayan. Yan lang naman yan. So, illustration, ito yung fourth page na natin. So, ang fourth page is yung scenario 1 natin kapag yung current dividend rate yung ginamit. So, ang current naman na dividend rate natin is 3.9%. So, medyo mababa siya. Pero at least meron tayong dividend. So, ayan, no. Ito yung ating age ni insured. So, ni baby. Pagka policy, end of policy year 1 natin, age 2. So, ayan. Sorry. Ayan, total premium natin is 112, tapos ang guaranteed, alam mo yung guaranteed cash value. So, kung sakaling kung sakaling i-pull out natin, meron tayong guaranteed cash value na ganyan. So, yung letter B naman, guaranteed benefit, cash benefit, death benefit, tapos guaranteed cash payout. So, ganyan siya. Then, accumulated dividends natin. Ayan. Ito lang naman yun. Accumulated dividends. Total living. Pag yung guaranteed cash value plus yung guaranteed cash payout plus yung accumulated dividends. Ito lang yung illustration kung magkano yung magiging dividends kung i-retain mo dito sa ating accumulation rate natin. Ayan, guaranteed cash value includes cash value. Ito yun. Includes cash value of the basic plan and the riders if attached. The values in this illustration are after deducting the guaranteed cash payout payable for the year. So, ayan. So, ano lang naman to, mga guaranteed, kung baga, surrender yung plan. Ganyan. Death benefit, alam nyo na yan. Ayan, cash payout. Yan, accumulated dividends. So, ito naman, yung sa second, yung illustration 2, kung low dividend rate lang naman. So, parehas lang yung illustration niya, pero low dividend rate to. Ayan. Yun yung mga computation lang naman niya. So, scenario 3, kung current dividend rate natin, and accumulated yung cash payouts natin. So, ganyan. End of policy year kung anong age. So kung 20 years old, yan. So ito yung guaranteed natin at the end of paying period natin. Yan, 25,000. Yung mag-accumulated lang siya. Ayan lang siya. So ayan lang. Ano lang naman yan, illustrations. So ayan, illustration kapag same lang pag low dividend rate and accumulated cash payout. Ayan. Yun lang, mabilis lang naman. So, notes on illustration of benefits. So, illustration of benefits is only a summary. Illustration of the major benefits of the plan. Should you refer to the advisor? Yan. Yung illustration is assuming that all premiums are paid in full when due and no loans advances on the policy payment. Yan. Amount of total premiums may differ slightly from the total premiums payable in the policy due to rounding off lang naman yan. Differences. So, number 4, projected dividend values based on the company's current performance are not guaranteed. So, yung current performance and the dividends are not guaranteed. Pero may dividends paid may change with the values being higher, pwede siyang maging higher, pwedeng maging lower, or to those that are illustrated. Yun. You can leave the amount, yan, to accumulate, which change from time to time. So, interest rate used to, kung ang dividend is 3.9, ganyan din yung, the low interest rate, which is 1% less than the current rate. These are not guaranteed. You can leave the guaranteed cash payout with the company to accumulate. So, pare-parehas lang naman yan. Sabi ko na yan. Wala naman siya masyadong ano. So, ito, glossary lang naman kung ano-ano yung ating makikita dun sa ating proposal. Sorry, sakit kasi ng ulo ko kaya medyo hindi ako masyado. Pero, push lang. Ito yung second to the last page natin, no. Ito lang naman, declaration and acknowledgement lang that you confirm that you read and understood yung proposal. I understand that I have to pay the scheduled premiums. As illustrated, valid only to be submitted in 3 months. Ito ay valid, yan lang. Valid lang to within 3 months. So, pero kung magpipirma na naman, hindi na naman to kailangan. Hindi siya form part of the insurance contract. I have applied. Mag-apply tayo for AA Philippines. I understand. Mga ano lang naman to, acknowledgement of variability kasi yung natin, yung dividend is not guaranteed. I understand the dividend rates change from year to year. Any future date, choose to available this paid dividend. Pero puro lang naman to, dividend na variable yung ating dividend. So, ito naman, aking attestation yan. Made by knowledge, sales presented to the policy owner or unaltered. So, hindi ko to pinalitan. So, ayan lang naman yung attestation ko. So, ito, wala to sa ating, wala to sa proposal. Pero ang alam ko, may juvenile yan, schedule tayo. So, in the event na insured is that prior to his or attaining age of 4 years old and 6 months, the amount payable under his policy shall be accordance with the following schedule. So, less than 6 months, total premiums paid. Pag 1 year, 20% of the amount of insurance. Pag 2 years old, 40. 3 years old, 60. Pag 4 years old, 80. So, 5 years old, total amount na ng insurance. So, yung ibang companies, hindi to masyadong dinidiscuss, pero ang alam ko, dapat dinidiscuss to kasi lalo na kung baby pa yung insured. So, always kapag baby pa yung insured, as per insurance commission, dapat may juvenile yen schedule. So, ayun. Yun lang, para transparent lang din ako sa'yo na kaya nilagay ko tong juvenile yen schedule. Ayun. Yun lang. Thank you. Sorry. Medyo masakit na yung ulo ko kaya hindi na ako makapag-discuss ng mabuti. Ayun lang. Thank you.